Have you ever felt a sudden shift in the atmosphere or the energy of your reality, like something big just happened somewhere? A moment when the energy feels charged and you can't quite put your finger on why? Like an invisible wave of emotion washed over you. A sensation that seems to come from nowhere yet feels profoundly significant. What if this was more than just a feeling? What if these moments are glimpses into a deeper, hidden reality? What if we are all connected, our minds linked in a vast, unseen network? A network that transcends physical boundaries and unites us in ways we are only beginning to understand. This is the intriguing concept of global consciousness, the idea that a shared human energy exists, a kind of global mind, a collective awareness that binds us all together. Imagine the Earth as a single living organism, a living, breathing entity where every part is interconnected and interdependent. Each of us, like cells in a body, contributing to a larger whole. Our individual actions and thoughts playing a role in the health and vitality of the entire system. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions ripple outwards, impacting the collective energy field. Every smile, every act of kindness, every moment of empathy adds to this shared energy. This is not just a philosophical idea, it's a concept that is being explored and tested by scientists around the globe. Scientists around the world are exploring the very real possibility of a global consciousness, using cutting-edge technology to measure what was once considered immeasurable. They're delving into the mysteries of the human mind and its connection to the world around us. Could it be that we are on the verge of a groundbreaking discovery? A discovery that could redefine our understanding of human connection. One that could change our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. A revelation that could alter the way we see our relationships and our responsibilities to one another. A discovery that reveals the true extent of human connection. That shows us just how deeply intertwined our lives really are. Let's delve into the science and explore the evidence that suggests we are not as separate as we may think. Join us as we uncover the secrets of global consciousness and the profound implications it holds for our future. Deep within the halls of Princeton University, a fascinating experiment has been running for over 2 decades. The Global Consciousness Project, often called the EGG project after its use of electronic devices called random number generators, aims to measure global consciousness. But how can you measure something as intangible as collective human energy? The answer lies in the unpredictable nature of quantum mechanics. RNGs generate random sequences of zeros and ones. The project hypothesizes that during major global events, when millions of minds are focused on the same thing, a subtle order emerges from this randomness. Imagine dropping a handful of coins. You'd expect a random mix of heads and tails. Now, imagine a powerful magnet hidden beneath the surface, influencing the outcome. The Global Consciousness Project is looking for that magnet, the collective human consciousness, subtly influencing the normally random behavior of the RNGs. With over 70 RNGs strategically placed across the globe, this experiment continuously collects data, searching for patterns and anomalies that coincide with significant world events. But what have they found? Let's examine the evidence. The Global Consciousness Project has amassed a compelling body of data over its years of operation, meticulously recording the behavior of random number generators, or RNGs, during significant global events. One of the most striking examples occurred on September 11, 2001, a day that forever changed the world. As the world watched in horror, the RNGs showed a significant deviation from their expected random behavior, beginning hours before the first plane hit the World Trade Center, indicating a possible premonition of the collective consciousness. This deviation continued for several days following the attacks, suggesting a massive surge in collective human emotion, as people around the globe mourned and processed the tragedy. But 9/11 was not an isolated incident. The data reveals similar patterns during other globally significant events. Similar anomalies have been recorded during other globally significant events, both tragic and joyous, indicating a consistent pattern. The devastating 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, the celebratory inauguration of Barack Obama, the global pandemic of 2020, all these events correlated with statistically significant deviations in the RNG data, suggesting a deep connection between human emotions and random number patterns. These findings raise profound questions about the nature of our reality and the interconnectedness of human consciousness. Could the collective outpouring of fear, grief, hope, or joy actually be measurable? Could our shared emotional experiences have a tangible impact on the world around us? Could it be that our emotions, when amplified on a global scale, have the power to influence the fabric of reality itself? These are questions that challenge our understanding of consciousness and reality. While the Global Consciousness Project cannot definitively prove causation, the sheer volume of data and the consistency of the findings are hard to ignore, suggesting a possible link between human consciousness and physical reality. Let's explore some of the scientific theories that might explain these intriguing results, delving deeper into the mysteries of our collective consciousness. The idea that emotions can be contagious is not new. It's something we've all felt at one time or another. We've all experienced the feeling of catching a happy or sad vibe from someone else. It's almost as if emotions have a life of their own, spreading from person to person. But how could this work on a global scale? How can emotions ripple through large groups, even entire populations? One possible explanation lies in the realm of bioelectromagnetism. This field of study explores how our bodies generate and interact with electromagnetic fields. Our bodies are constantly emitting electromagnetic fields, and these fields can interact with those around us. This interaction could be a key to understanding emotional contagion. When we experience strong emotions, our brainwave patterns change, and these changes can be detected in our electromagnetic fields. These fields might carry emotional information. Some scientists believe that these fields could act as a kind of emotional Wi-Fi, allowing us to unconsciously transmit and receive emotional states. This means we might be more connected to each other than we realize, sharing our emotional states without even knowing it. Furthermore, research into mirror neurons suggests that our brains are hardwired for empathy. These neurons help us understand and share the emotions of others. These specialized neurons fire not only when we experience an emotion ourselves, but also when we witness someone else experiencing it. This mirroring mechanism is fundamental to human connection. This mirroring mechanism allows us to understand and share the feelings of others, creating a deep sense of empathy and connection, creating a neural basis for emotional connection. It's a fascinating interplay of biology and emotion. Could these mechanisms, acting on a global scale, explain the anomalies observed by the Global Consciousness Project? This project has found intriguing patterns in global emotional responses. Could it be that our shared biology allows us to tap into a collective emotional field, a reservoir of human experience that transcends individual consciousness? This collective field might be a way for us to connect on a deeper level, beyond words and actions. The science is still emerging, but the possibilities are tantalizing. As we continue to explore, we may uncover even more about how emotions connect us all.